Do you know that your story has the power to change lives? Every setback, every failure, and every win you've had is a part of your story. And guess what? Someone out there needs to hear it. Your experiences, whether they've been messy or glorious, are what make you uniquely equipped to impact the world. You may not realize it, but your story can be the light someone else needs to find their way. When you share your story, you're not just healing yourself, you're healing others. And when you share from a place of authenticity and vulnerability, that's where the magic happens. If you're ready to own your story and use it to inspire others, let's make it happen. Send me a message to find out how you can get started.